Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share you with open interest scanner. Before starting that video, I just inform you that fires start with MCS also. Earlier they have only NSE, now they have MCS also. So those who wish to open trading account with NSE and MCS market, you just click on the link below in the description box and fill your details. They will contact you. Okay, this is a Fires One web trading platform. In this platform there are so many tools are there. So those who are following intraday trading, this is one of the best trading platform, web based trading platform. Okay, you can use all these tools and draw the trend level and support and resistance level, everything. Okay, let's go for today's topic. I made a scanner, open in the scanner. This scanner I made with the reference of Intraday YouTube video. If you search it on YouTube, just say Intraday, you will get that channel. In that channel, he explained very well about how to create a scanner like this. Based on that video's reference, I made this scanner. So all credit goes to that channel. Okay, I just made this Excel scanner, and this is used for so many purposes. We can use this scanner for trend of the stocks and support and resistance level of the stocks, and so many other method we can use it. Okay, in this video I just explained the one method of trading. Here we will get any future and option stocks support and resistance, and this scanner is based on open interest. Suppose if you want to know about ACC, nearest support and resistance level, then just type ACC here, then data, just click it. Here you can see refresh, just click refresh and wait. Okay, the data is updated. So now this is the last trade price, 1570 is the last trade price, and the nearest resistance, that means more open interest is 1680 call, and 1500 put is having more open interest. So this one acts as the resistance and this one acts as the support. So now market is 1570, that means it's near to support level. So it stands to come down at this 1500 level ACC. And if you want to check any other stock, okay, now just updated Reliance. So Reliance now 1235 level, and nearest support is 1200 level, and resistance is 1300 level. That means more open interest in this call 1300. That's why it attacks a strong resistance and the input section, and this is the more open interest 1200. So market have a chance to come at this level, and see here bullish, here it's showing bullish, and like that way you can check any stocks like GAIL, some other stock, any stock you can check it. And just once you enter the stocks, just refresh it. See, GAIL stock is updated. Now 400 is the level, 400 is the nearest resistance level. That means this call have more open interest, and put is 370, and here you can see all is bearish. That means put is bearish, means it's an uptrend. In GAIL is an uptrend. Right now the GAIL trend is uptrend, and here it stands to go to 400 level. That is showing, and you can check with the Nifty also. So in this scanner we no need for any terminal support. Earlier I made scanner with the support of IS and Zerodha Trader terminal support. Here we take data directly from NSE website, so no need for any terminal support, just need an internet connection, that's it. Okay, Nifty 50 also you can check. Okay, Nifty here trend is not showing, but the nearest resistance is 11,500 and 10,800 is the support level. So whatever the strike price in top section in calls, that's act as resistance, and here put section act as support. So there are two methods we can use it in scanner. First, find out the trend of a stock or trend of an index future. And next one, we can know about where is the nearest support and resistance level. Okay, ITC is a bearish trend. Here no signal, only bearish trend. That means it's an uptrend only. 297 is the level right now, LTP. That means 300. 300 is the resistance. So ITC is an uptrend right now. So like that way, you can check any stocks. Once the contract is expired, make sure that now it's 25 October 2018. That's the expiry date. If next month contract, we just change the date here, then only get the data. Okay, and you can check Bank Nifty, any stocks you can check here, or just scroll down here and you can select any stocks from here. Nifty Bank, that is Bank Nifty. If you want this scanner, and if you are my premium member, you just visit nicholasmiller.com. There screener section, NSE scanner, just click it and just click here. You can download this scanner, and those who are open account with my reference in files, just contact me. I will share you this scanner. So hope you like this scanner. I will make some other scanner also. That scanners will update coming days. So if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2070@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.